Did you know that it's possible to create a pie graph like this one to present your table data? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have an example table with sales for years 2013 to 2017. And you want to visualize data from years column and sales column in a simple pie graph. To do this, go to Insert tab and in the Charts section click on Insert Pie or Donut Chart. Now choose Simple 2D Pie Graph, but as you can see, you can also choose 3D Graph or Donut type. So click on the first option. As you can see, the blank chart area was added. Now let's input some data. To do so, right-click on this empty chart area and pick Select Data. Now we have to specify data sources for our graph. On the left side in Legend Entries, click on Add button. As a series name, write let's say sales a year, and in series values remove everything and select data from sales column. And as you can see, the basic pie graph is slowly showing. Now we have to add years to the bottom instead of that numbers. In Select Data Source window, click on Edit button in horizontal axis labels on the right side. Now we will make the same as previously with sales column. But this time we will select data from year column. As the last step, click on OK. The pie chart is almost done. If you want to move it to another place on the sheet, just click on the graph and pull it everywhere you want. You can also make it smaller if you drag that dot on the corner. Also, you can choose different styles of our new pie graph or even background or color. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.